There's currently 1.7 billion adults, that's 1/3 of the world's adult population, who lack access to even a basic savings account. It's not just about money. Without access to the formal financial sector, it's hard to save to get an education, for healthcare, to buy a home, to care for your family and your community. And so it's really hard for communities to build any type of resilience or any type of economic mobility without financial inclusion. We're trying to help be part of the solution to end that problem. Our AWS Imagine grant project is Kiva Protocol. We're working with the government of Sierra Leone to help them build basic digital infrastructure to bring digital identity to their entire population so that anybody in Sierra Leone, with or without paper documentation of their birth certificate or any other identity, would be able to walk into a financial institution and with only their thumbprint, be able to prove who they are and open an account.
I'm Nancy Bamoy. I teach now at Sierra Secondary School Protocol. I cannot get bank accounts for now. I can get ID card.
Before Kiva Protocol, opening an account for Nancy might have taken 4 to 6 weeks, and that's only if she had the required documentation, and 4 to 6 weeks to verify it and open an account. With Kiva Protocol and the National Digital Identity Platform, that time has shrunk to 11 seconds. She can walk in with just her fingerprint. With that, she can authenticate. She can consent to sharing the information digitally, and in 11 seconds, that information can be shared and pre-populate all the account opening forms for that financial institution, and she can walk out with an open savings account. Oftentimes, we're going into contexts where server reliability and trust in cloud infrastructure is incredibly low. It's important to make sure the reliability of that data so that when you put data somewhere, it's secure and can be pulled down later by that individual. And AWS is best in class at that data reliability.
I am the first African woman to do the digital identity. I'm starting big because with my fingerprint and we have the access to load. So I'm happy because my fingerprints are always with me. I will not leave them behind.
It's one thing to bring this technology to countries like Sierra Leone. What's much more important and what will drive the long-term inclusion and social justice is really going to be helping build technical capacity locally so that these local citizens and governments can have their own public-private partnerships and can build and operate these systems for themselves and not be reliant nor dependent on external aid for this. I hope that others in the community, in the technical community, other governments around the world, other relief organizations around the world, pick up Kiva Protocol and add to it and use it and modify and get it out there. But I would just encourage anybody who can get involved. If you want to lend through Kiva, please do. If you want to get involved with Kiva Protocol, it is an open source project, we welcome it. And if you'd ever like to have a chat about policy or regulatory environments to drive financial inclusion, please email me. I would love to have that discussion.